Imagine waking up one day and seeing something impossible. A snake so enormous that its body stretches farther than the eye can see. Not just a large snake, but a creature so massive it could destroy forests, crush buildings, and send entire cities into panic. It all began when people in a quiet town noticed something strange moving through a nearby forest. At first, they thought it was a train. The shape was long, dark, and moving slowly between the trees. But there was one problem. There were no train tracks anywhere in that area. As the shape came closer, the ground started to shake. Trees began snapping and animals ran in every direction. And then people finally saw what it was. A giant snake. Its body was thicker than houses and its length seemed endless. Witnesses stood frozen in shock as the massive creature pushed through the forest like a force of nature. Within hours, videos began spreading across the internet. Helicopters flew overhead to capture footage, and what they saw left scientists speechless. From the sky, the creature stretched for miles, crushing trees and leaving a path of destruction behind it. Panic quickly spread. Roads filled with cars as people tried to escape. News stations around the world reported on the mysterious giant serpent moving across the land. Experts tried to explain how such a creature could exist. Some believed it might be a prehistoric species that somehow survived for millions of years. Others thought it could be an unknown mutation. But the truth was, no one knew. Days later, the giant snake slowly moved toward the ocean. Ships nearby reported seeing an enormous shadow sliding into the water before disappearing beneath the waves. And just like that, it was gone, leaving behind a terrifying question. What if the giant snake is still out there, hidden somewhere in the deep ocean? Because our world is still full of mysteries we have yet to discover.